Sup yo, coming at y'all with an unboxing. I got this GTR push to start button for my G37, and yeah, G35 actually. It's an OEM GTR push to start button. It's a simple mod that everyone does. I'll open this up. Start doing this with one hand. Alright, so we got the button right here. OEM Nissan part. There it is, made in Thailand. I picked this up online for about 60 bucks. Yep, there's the lock accessory on engine. Dope. Alright, now let's go put her on. Alright, yo, so I'm in my car. I have the stock button. So what I did was I just brought it all the way up using the control, the telescopic controls. And if you can see back here, there's just a clip. Let me see if I can turn it around. The clip right there. Boom, right there. You just gotta unplug it. If you come back here with like a screwdriver small enough, you just gotta get it. Alright, so once you unclip the part at the bottom, there's gonna be a clip right here. Right there. Just pry it out. It's gonna be at the bottom right, and then another one at the top left. Once you do that, it'll slide right out. And there's the wiring harness that we unclipped from down here. And then after that, you just squeeze these two tabs, and the chrome trim should come back like that. Trim piece off, just squeeze these two together, then it'll come out. And get your new button, that fresh new GTR, push to start, and then just same thing from the back, and push it in. Let's see, how did it go? It's like that. Push it all the way through, make it clip in. Just dropped it, and then let's see. I'm gonna place it back in here. Make sure they're lined up. It's gonna be a little tough. You wanna try and plug it in. So once you got it in place, you wanna make sure that the wiring harness behind it is plugged in before you fully connect it and stuff. See, I just wanna get that done. Alright, so once you got everything plugged in, the wiring harness behind it, I want to test it on a 6MT. So as you can see, everything lights up. Turn it off. Accessory. Boom. There you have it. GTR push to start button, baby.